In this tutorial, I will show you how to group or ungroup any objects. Let's draw some objects here. So one rectangle, say one circle. Let's move to the center position. Okay, and another, suppose one pentagon. Here, here. Now you can see here group option. Let's click here. And now select objects. So I want to group these two first two objects into single group. Click enter. Now you can see this is a single object. This is grouped now. Okay, so next option, this is for ungroup. If we want to ungroup this, click here and now select object. Now it is ungrouped. You can see this is a single object and this is another object. In this way you can ungroup also here, and this is for group edit. So for this group edit, let's convert into a group. Select object, press enter. So this is now single object. Click here and now we want to edit this group. So click here, edit. Here you can see option uh, add objects. You can if you want to add any other objects, or you want to remove objects or rename. So these three options are available. Suppose we want to add objects, so click here. Now we need to select the object which we want to add with this existing group. Suppose this is the object we want to include in this existing group. So select this object. Now enter. You can see now this is converted into a single object. Select the entire object. Let's click edit. Here you can remove object also. Click here, remove object. Now you need to select the object you want to remove from this group. Any object. Suppose this circle we want to remove. So click on this circle. Press enter. Now let's see. Okay, this is now a single object, but the circle is a separate object. So in this way you can group or ungroup any objects.